Alright, so I'm recording this video and hope it'll be useful for others. So I've got a ROG Strix XG27A monitor, and I wanted to use it with a VESA mount. There's very little documentation of how the heck I'm supposed to do that, but to remove the standard mount on that. So, after looking around a bit, found out with this particular model, you want to take a pry tool, and where the bezel back here changes in height, you want to pry on that. And that at least reveals those two screws. But this piece is not removing easily. So let me go and look a little bit further at that and I'll continue this. Alright, I took a moment, poked around a little bit more, and it looks like you can just use your pry tool and pry up the other side there. So again, it's the split, this decorative split across the back of the monitor that you want to go and pry at to go and remove the lower panel, and then you can just lift up underneath to reveal the upper panel. And there you go. You got all 4 screws, so you can remove the mount and put it on your VESA compliant display mount. Have a good day. Final addendum here actually is once you undo all those screws, you actually want to go and tilt it up from the bottom because there is a keyed notch at the top.